Hello and welcome to another wilderness tamed video. This one's about scything again. So the main point of this video is just to reiterate what's been said in many other videos, certainly by myself, that not all mowing has to be done by powered machinery, really. Can adequately be carried out without using any fuel, without pumping fumes into the atmosphere. So yeah, let's just try and reduce that. It's not a big thing really. So, like, how hard is that? Mind you, I've had people say, "Ooh, that looks like hard work." Really? It's like, clearly they have never done a hard day's work in their lives. If they think that just, swinging a stick about with a blade on the end is hard work, it's like, wow, it really, really isn't. We see from this video, it's a delight. It's mesmerising to watch. Which strimmer operators are not, with the best will in the world. All you folks out there doing these let's help out the neighbours and mow down their messy gardens videos, which is great. I mean, it's a noble community cause. The fact that you're filming yourself strimming and not turning off the sound on the video of the strimmer when it's speeded up, it's like watching a bunch of angry wasps on a video. It's like, why are people sitting through this? And I mean, hats off to you. You've all got loads of subscribers and loads of views, but like the least pleasant videos to watch. You know, you've all got the clickbait thumbnails with the titles, and I'll start one off and then immediately grab the little red thing at the bottom, zip it through to the very end and see the end result without the noise and the speeded up Smurf bit in between. It's just not pleasant. But anyway, hence my sort of online crusade to put out as many scything videos as I can. And it's not just me. Here's some links to other scything videos, which are all well worth a watch because they're just a delight to watch. So there you go. So this is becoming a real soapbox rant, which was never my intention, or is it? So yeah, that's kind of all I've got to say on the matter. No, it isn't. There's way more I could go into. Stop fooling yourself, Grundy. Yeah, I think I should probably just wrap it up there. More than anything, either the camera battery's about to run out or the memory card will just like have a nervous breakdown. So I shall bid you all farewell. I hope you've enjoyed watching the nice mowy bits of this rather than the me going off it into the camera sections. I can only apologise, but I guarantee you'll be back for more. I don't know why I'm holding my breath.